Today let's play a little game together, and this game is called Can AI Do That? Let's go over 3 rules of thumb before the game about how to decide if you can use AI or machine learning to solve a problem. First rule of thumb, the problems AI can solve today are relatively simple. In these scenarios, the AI can take the input, let's call it A, and generate a response, let's call it the output B, with a probability. According to Ng of Deeplearning.ai, if the mapping between A to B is relatively simple, say taking less than 1 second of a human thought, then hallelujah, AI can help. Second, in order to go from input A to output B, the machine needs to be trained with lots and lots of data. In supervised learning, the data needs to be labeled so the machine can learn from these examples. Third, you probably only want to use AI if this task will be repeated many times. If this is a one-time task, then it's probably not worth using AI to solve the problem. Alright, let's warm up with some practice. Can AI be trained to tell in each picture if it's a labradoodle or fried chicken? Yes, it can be trained. Alright, how about this one? Can AI be trained to tell a Dalmatian from ice cream? Yes, it can be trained with lots of training probably. Okay, now the real game begins. Question 1. Can the self-driving car's computer vision detect humans and objects on the street as well as the distance from the car? Yes, it takes a huge amount of data, but yes, it can be done. Question 2. Can AI be trained to detect cancer cells as anomalies from the normal cells? Yes, it can. Number 3. Can AI be trained to make demand forecasts for retail stores? Yes, of course it can. The 4th question is, can AI compose music? Yes, but the AI can only generate new pieces based on the music style and genre it was trained on, and therefore it cannot invent new styles. Last but not least, can AI predict your ideal partners for the future? No, well, at least not yet, because AI won't have enough data from you to figure out what your ideal partner would be like. That probably means you need to have multiple ideal partners in order for AI to learn. AI is just not there yet in terms of decoding our intentions or figuring out the context. So, leave a comment below and let me know what you think about using AI for hiring.